Here at Power Tools and Supply, we've been able to strategically align business interest with Estic America. Estic offers a complete line of transducer-controlled power tools. Today, we're going to focus on Estic's electric pulse power tools. These tools offer highly accurate and ergonomic alternatives to traditional direct drive power tools. While still a fully DC electric tool, you can operate these tools at higher torques without an additional high-cost torque reaction device. You can see with this right angle power tool, we're able to achieve 60 Newton meters with no excessive strain to the operator. Having a highly accurate transducer and resolver, we are receiving real-time traces that include the torque and angle data from the touchscreen controller. Estic also offers a line of battery-operated DC pulse power tools. We easily hit 20 Newton meters with this pistol grip tool, again with no excessive strain to the operator's wrist. Through the program software, we're able to monitor detailed torque traces to locate potential issues within the fastening application. Through comprehensive training from Estic America, PTS technicians, with the support of Estic field engineers located in Novi, Michigan, are prepared to assist with on-site service and training as well as repair and validation of Estic tools in our joint repair centers. Power Tools and Supply, Estic America and you make a powerful connection.